Hello my dear students, hope you all are fit and fine and doing well. So students, our chapter number 12, cleanliness, health and hygiene is going on, and today we will discuss the last topic of this chapter, that is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So here, what is the meaning of Swachh? Swachh means clean, Bharat Abhiyan. Abhiyan means any type of activity, any type of effort. Okay, so let's read this topic. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a campaign by the government of India to clean the streets, roads and infrastructure of the country's cities and towns. So this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is an activity, or we can say that it is an effort that is made by the government of India so that we can keep our streets, roads, infrastructure of the cities and towns clean. So this is for the cleanliness of our surrounding. It was started by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. So it was started by the Prime Minister of India, and the name of the Prime Minister is Shri Narendra Modi. So Shri Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. To have clean surrounding, following activities were planned. So let's see these activities one by one. First one is constructing toilets. Constructing means forming toilets. Many toilets in the rural areas were constructed so that people may not go in the open, because if they go open then it makes our environment dirty. So by the construction of many toilets in the rural area makes our surrounding clean and green. Second one is Green India, Clean India. So in this scheme, plantation of sapling is done to have green and clean India. This is a sapling. So due to this, we have to plant more and more trees so that our environment becomes green and clean. Next is teaching rural children about cleanliness. In this, rural children are taught about the cleanliness. So they learn how to clean our environment and how to maintain the cleanliness in our environment and in our surrounding. Next point is waste management. Management means treatment, how to treat or how to manage the waste. So to keep villages clean, solid and liquid waste management is being carried out. So for the cleanliness of our villages, the solid and the liquid waste management must be done in proper manner. So the next activity is clean drinking water. So you all know that water is the basic need to survive. So if we drink dirty water, then it will cause many diseases. So for this, government took step, laying the water pipelines in all the villages to ensure clean drinking water. Okay. Next activity under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is keeping the city clean. So it aims in spreading awareness about keeping the city clean by throwing the garbage in the bins, not in the open. You all know that if we throw the things or the garbage anywhere around us, then it makes our city or it makes our surrounding dirty. But if we throw the garbage and the waste material in bins, then it keeps our environment clean and green. Next point is use of colored dustbins. For throwing the different types of waste, we have to use the different color dustbins. For example, if we throw the papers, then we can use the green dustbin. If we throw the plastic, then we use the yellow dustbin. For the cans, we have to use this blue dustbin. For glass, we have to use this dustbin. So in this way, we can throw the different type of waste in the different color dustbins.